What's up, YouTube? So these stocking tag blanks I bought from Hobby Lobby. Originally, they were $3.99, but I got them last year after Christmas on sale for like 80% off. So it was, I don't know, they were at least $1. So here's all the stocking tags laid out. I bought about 30 of them at $2 a piece. So one of the mistakes that I used to make 2 years ago when I first got this laser was cutting out shapes like this. So let me explain what I mean. I bought these from Hobby Lobby last year after Christmas. So this was in 2023. So this was coming from the Christmas of 2022. I bought these at Hobby Lobby, heavily discounted. They were like $1, maybe $2. I don't remember, but they were very, very cheap. Now, hear me out on this. There's 10 tags on this. There's 10 blank tags on this. Originally, it's $3.99. I don't know if you can see that. It's not going to focus. Originally, these are $3.99. For 10 of them, I sold one for $5, okay? So, like I said, I bought 300 of them. I have half of them sold right now. And I sell each tag for $5. And what we're doing is with our laser back here, we do cut out the name. I mean, because we have to personalize it. People are buying personalized things. I can't just put my name on here and sell it to them, or like ho ho ho, or Christmas, or Merry, or Joy. Somebody would probably buy it, but for the majority of people, they want it personalized with a name. We buy 10 stocking tags for $2 for the whole bundle, and then we sell each one for $5. We use our laser back here to print it out and print out the name. We glue it on. This doesn't need painted. It's the natural wood color. This is awesome. And then here are the white ones, which these may need another coat of white on there. There's some that are kind of nasty looking, but $2. So that's how you do that. So you buy this, go there to Hobby Lobby or Walmart or Meijer after Christmas, and then see everything that you can get for sale. You can get so much stuff for sale on clearance and marked way down, because every year these companies come up with more and more new stuff, and they want to get rid of the old stuff, and then you can profit off of that. So don't fall into that trap that I used to fall into so much, because you buy that Glowforge wood, and I buy the Glowforge wood, and it costs more. It just costs more money. And if you cut out all of this, just think about that. Say the piece of Glowforge wood is $16, and you cut out this big old chunk, but in reality, this whole pack costs $2, and just divide 10 by 2, you could have saved this much wood and just bought this cheap at Hobby Lobby. All right, so that's what I did. I bought this 10 pack for $2, sold each one for $5. So each pack, I made $50, a $48 profit. And I bought 300 of these. So you do the math. Look, I'm just trying to bring you guys this knowledge. This is easy work. Customers don't know that you're buying this stuff cheap. You're still serving them. You're putting their name on it. You're still serving them. You're still getting them what they're looking for. They want it. You got it. Hey, look, if you like these videos that I'm making and you want to know more of these tips and tricks and little hacks, things to do, comment, like, and subscribe, and just comment below and let me know what I can help you with. What questions do you have? How can I help you? I'm trying to help you here. I'd like to give you my files. I have over 300 SVG files because I've made shirts, I've made hundreds of ornaments and stocking tags and all original stuff. I got a few things that I just bought from Etsy, but for the most part, man, I just want to give this stuff to you. So let me know what I can help you with.